So there are a couple ways that you can insert images into your Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on this cell right here, because this is where I want the image to live. So I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go down to Image, and I can either insert the image into the cell or over the cell. So let's put it in the cell first. I'm going to go ahead and upload it from my device. And notice it is in the cell. It is trapped in the cell. It can't be moved around at all. So we're going to insert another image right over here. I'm going to go click Insert, and I'm going to click Image again, and this time I'm over the cells. So put that image right in here. And now it's over the cell, so I can actually resize it and I can move it wherever I want. However, that means anybody else can move it around wherever they want as well. So I prefer in the cell, but you can choose over the cell if you like. And if you don't want them there, just delete. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.